Hi, I'm Chris Hudig, the Technical Sales Manager for the Karnak Corporation. I'm here today to talk about coating a black EPDM roof with our 502 RCW Elasto coat system. This system consists of 502 self-priming base coat as well as 502 finish white. The tools you'll need to use to apply the 502 RCW self-priming base coat are going to be a stick or electric mixer to stir the product before use. You'll need a 4-inch brush to cut in around perimeters or anything in the roof, as well as a 1/2-inch nap roller. The steps to apply the 502 RCW Elasto coat system over an EPDM roof: the first thing you're going to have to do is properly prepare the roof. That means power washing and cleaning the roof with Karnak 507 SPC primer wash. We've already done that, so now we're going to go into the coating. Our first step is going to be to mix the product. We're going to use a stick or an electric mixer to do that. If you use an electric mixer, use low speed. We want to reduce the amount of air you put into the product. After mixing, we can then pour the coating onto the roof and roll it with our 1/2-inch nap roller. On this roof here, I'm going to do that since I don't have a parapet wall. If you do have parapets or perimeters to go around, you'll first want to take your 4-inch wide brush and cut those in before you put the coating onto the roof with your roller. The 502 is an SCBS thermoplastic rubber. The rubber actually gives this product true waterproofing capabilities, so it performs great in areas that pond water or that drain slowly. Now that we've finished our application of the 502 self-priming base coat, you're going to want to allow that to cure 24 hours. That means once you finish, you want to have 24 hours before you put the finish coat on. Now you'll look, when you put the finish coat on, you're going to notice the 502 base coat is a light gray color. That's to make a contrast against the white color. It'll be easier to know where the base has been applied and where the finish needs to go over top. The 502 system is a SCBS thermoplastic rubber. This is a solvent-based coating with a lot of elasticity, elongation, and tensile strength. This product is great where you may have a warm day above 50 for application, but nights may get close to freezing. Unlike an acrylic, this solvent-based product will continue to cure and not be damaged by the cold weather. 502 RCW has great resistance to hail impact, as well as the product can be used not only on black EPDM roof, you can also use it on TPO, PVC, Hypalon, metal, and concrete. That makes the product very versatile. Hi, I'm Chris Hudig, the Technical Sales Manager for the Karnak Corporation. I'm up on an EPDM roof that we've actually previously applied the Karnak 502 self-priming base coat. We've allowed that coating to cure, and now today we're going to apply the 502 RCW Finish Elasto Coat White. The tools we're going to need to apply the 502 RCW Elasto Coat Finish White are a mixing stick or an electric drill and mixer. If you use an electric drill, make sure you use a low speed so we don't put too much air into the product. Once the product is mixed, we're going to apply it by pouring it onto the roof and rolling it out with a 1/2-inch nap roller. Remember, the 502 RCW coating system is for EPDM roofing. This is going to help protect the EPDM, making it last longer, as well as cooling the roof, which in turn stops heat transfer into the building, potentially saving on energy costs. For more information, visit karnakcorp.com.